Okay, folks, we're back with the Bowling Green Stakes here at Saratoga. It's a $250,000 Grade 2 race for 4-year-olds and up, a mile and 3/8 on the turf. The favorite is the 1, Fort George. No, Ole Crazy Bone. Uh, the horse with the best late pace is the 6. The horse with the best speed is the 2. And here we go.
Fort George puts his head in front and sets sail for home at the top of the stretch. Old Crazy Bone comes right back, though. Old Crazy Bone, Fort George giving it everything he has. But on the inside, it's Old Crazy Bone digging in tenaciously. Fort George is a length back second, trying so hard, and a late run from Minaret Station. It's going to be Old Crazy Bone leading them virtually all the way. Fort George fired so hard in Minaret Station in the Bowling Green.
Well, it came 1, 4, 6, 3, and the 4 almost caught the 1. In any case, I've got the payouts in the video description down below. We've got the Indiana Oaks coming up next, and the Indianapolis Derby. And finally, we're going to be finishing up at the Cornhusker, the Grade 3 Cornhusker out at Prairie Meadows. So pull up a chair, folks. It's going to be a fun afternoon. Thanks for watching, and good luck out there.